Just shout!
Just shout. I like it. Oh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Oh my God, why do they do it? Alright, so Influencers Hub, let's go ahead and take a look at their sales page. Alright, case study. When you see the word case study, what that generally means to me is, hey, I'm full of shit! I mean, come on, guys. Alright, so we go down here, let's see here. Enter your filters, connect. Send message to thousands of these influencers with one click. You think they want to be bothered by your fucking low ass? Hold on a second. Did that bitch just say business? She in business. Did she just call us all newbies? Because, I mean, I'd like to know what her business is, but it don't look like her business is anything that's worth a fuck. This is who they got to give a testimonial for their Influencer Hub software. Holy shit. There's nothing about this software that's worth a shit. Why the fuck would you buy a software that all it does, apparently, is you put in a keyword and it finds people in that niche that have a lot of followers. And then you could go ahead and message those people and go, hey dude, you want to hook me up with some of your traffic? Nobody's going to do that shit. Send messages and emails to these thousands of targeted influencers with your proposals in any niche and any business. Why? Let me go to YouTube. Let me type in Miles Beckler. Miles. Hi, Miles. I'm not even on Instagram. I'm on fucking YouTube. Hi, Miles. How's it going? How you doing today? Yeah? Alright, so someone like Miles Beckler, who's huge in the industry, he's just not going to give up his email. I don't care where you go. Here you are on YouTube. He has all this shit over here. We got Twitter. Alright? Oh, so you think you can get around this, right? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to message him. I'm going to message him right here on Twitter. I don't need his email. I got his Twitter account. Watch me do this shit. I want to go ahead and I want to do this. What? Miles can't be messaged? Are you telling me an influencer doesn't want to be fucking bothered? Shut the fuck up. Oh, man, these people. Alright, so maybe he's too big of a celebrity. Alright, so let's come up with a different one. Let's find one, an influencer, I don't know. Weight loss. What's a weight loss influencer? Okay, so here's another one, right? Here's another influencer. It's big on Instagram. Fat girl, fed up. And then she lost all that weight. And a lot of people followed her. Alright. Nowhere in here. I'm in YouTube. Alright. Can't message her. Let's see if she's on Twitter. And you can see right there, fat girl fed up can't be messaged! Because big time influencers like these that have hundreds of thousands of fucking viewers and followers and all these other types of people, they don't want to be bothered. They just want to sell you shit. This is nothing but a pile of shit software to go give you a bunch of people that you can just send out random messages to and you think they're going to fucking help you. This must be the guy. This must be the donut eater that made this horse shit. Have you noticed that everybody on Jvzoo is either Todd Gross or from fucking Mumbai? What the fuck is that about? Alright. I can't believe people actually are buying this shit. If you want to buy this horse shit, enjoy it. I'm not gonna waste my money on something I know won't work. I know these people don't want to be fucking bothered. You could just tell by simply doing a little research and go, I can't find it. I'm looking for one shit. I thought you probably thought you were going to get an inside look at Influencers Hub here. I refuse to buy that horse shit product. I refuse to buy any product from Jvzoo. If you're buying products from Jvzoo, that means you are a goddamn tool. Go out there and find an actual product that works. If you need an autoresponder, go to Aweber. Go to GetResponse. If you need a page builder, use ClickFunnels. Use Thrive Architect. All right. If you need to contact an influencer, get off your fucking ass and go contact them if they let you. All right. So this software, Influencer Hub, claims that they can get you massive followers by just simply getting a hold of people who are authorities in your niche. Holy fuckola. You people will believe anything. You people will fucking believe anything, I swear to God. Quit buying horse shit from Jvzoo. Jvzoo is filled with piles of bullshit like Influencers Hub. Influence Hub is the biggest pile of shit I've ever seen. And if you buy this, you must be retarded. And it looks like there's over 200 people that must be retarded. Don't work. Alright guys, so again, thank you for tuning in to Just Sean. See you next time. This is my Influencers Hub review.